Hello guys! Familiar ba kayo sa mangroves? So nandito tayo ngayon para maglakad-lakad, magmuni-muni at i-enjoy ang nature. So tara na, samahan mo ako! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Mangrove Forest Boardwalk Experience of Panabo City. This is a 585-meter concrete boardwalk on the 94.13 hectare mangrove forest of Barangay Jose P. Laurel, Panabo City, Davao del Norte. This is also the second largest mangrove forest reserve in the whole Davao region. There are 40 species of mangroves found in the Philippines, and 17 of those can be found here in this forest. Did you know that mangroves, coastal trees, and shrubs are exceptional at capturing and storing carbon dioxide, even more so than other forests? These vital ecosystems also shield coastlines from erosions, storms, and tsunamis while providing a haven for diverse marine life. For further information, the Panabo Mangrove Park aims to protect and showcase the mangrove forests, educate the public about its importance, and create economic opportunities for the local community through ecotourism activities like mangrove tours and water sports rental. So guys, ito nga pala yung mga seedlings ng mangroves. So, come here and feel the fresh air.